I have discussed how to create a free Moodle cloud account in the Genome platform. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new course using Genome Moodle app. For that, go to the site, then log in, user ID and password, login. The left side, there is an option called site home. Click on site home and scroll down, and there is an option add a new course. Click on add a new course. Now here you have to write the course full. Just for example, I write my full course name is differential equations. Now you have to write short name of the course. Say D, course category miscellaneous, post visibility, show and height have to change into show, and course start date. From which date and time you want to start your course. For that, you have to change date here, month here, year here, hour here, and time here. Similarly, when you want to end your course, if you want to put the time, end time of your course, then you have to change here date, month, year, hour, and time. If you don't want to put your end date of your course, then just click here. Also disable. Next, description part. There is a course summary. So in this box, you can write your course summary like about your course, course overview, course objective, and so on. Whatever those things you want to write, you can write here. Here I will just copy the of my course overview and course objective. Then copy and just paste here. You can also change the alignment of the text here. You can change the paragraph format. You can change bold, italic. You can also this course summary or course overview in video file format, in audio file format. You can also course objective or course overview. You can also add in image format also. So there is an option insert image, video, insert video, insert audio. So many, a couple of options is there. You can change the text. You can write also the text here, and you can change the alignment of your text. Then next option is course image. If you want to add some image, I mean this is the front page of your course. How we can add the image, just click here, upload a file, choose a file, choose file from your computer or laptop, then select the image and open it and upload this file. This image already uploaded here. This is the font, the course image. Now next, course format. Course format, there is a different course format is here. Just I will concentrate on topic formats and weekly format. What do you mean weekly format? Weekly format means from today onwards it will create. I mean week format, like say 16 January, say 17 January, say 18 January, like this. In day wise you can create your course. And topic format, you can also create every topic wise in topic format. The number of sections, how many sections you want to add, you can add here 52 sections. Just you want to 4 sections add. Then don't want to change anything else, just go to save and return and click here. Now you will able to see this course. You will able to see this course in your image. This is your course and this is the image of your course. This is a way how we can create a course into Moodle Cloud platform.